name is Snedden Gonsalves. I'm sailing as a chief officer with Anglo-Eastern Bulk Carrier Fleet. So guys, I hope everyone is fine, safe and staying at home in these difficult times. So today's vlog is about calibration of our marine tank scope. So first of all, a tank scope is an instrument which is meant to measure the hydrocarbon content in an inerted atmosphere. So guys, for calibration of tank scope, you need a pressure regulator. This is known as a pressure regulator. Calibration gas bottles with 50% LEL methane. Okay, and calibration gas bottle with methane content 50% by volume. And this is an universal infrared USB controller. This you have to connect to the PC. So this USB universal controller is basically as a means of communication between the PC and the. So before you start the calibration, make sure you have installed the FlexiCal Plus software in your PC. This is the installation software CD, and also you need to install the drivers. The driver is for the USB infrared controller. So you need to install the driver in your PC. So once the installation is done, go to control panel. Okay, go to system and security, click on system, go to device manager, so it is very important to know the communication port of our infrared USB controller. So it is connected to COM3, because this you have to enter into the settings of the FlexiCal software. So this is COM3. So guys, the next step is to open the FlexiCal Plus software. Go to Open Setup Editor, Manual Application Mode, Methane. So the gas content as mentioned on your calibration gas bottles have to be entered over here. Methane 50% by volume. So click over here, volume 50%. Second is methane. As I have mentioned earlier, the content of methane is volume 50% LEL. So click over your LEL and enter 50%. You can save by whatever name you want, but I'm saving it as calibration 2 and save the settings. Let's start with the calibration process. Switch on the equipment. It will show the model number, serial, calibration gas, battery. So make sure this infrared controller is held at least 2.5 centimeters above the reception sensor. So let's start with the calibration. Click on start. The system will take few seconds. Okay. Now I have not mentioned over here, but as you all can see in the dialog box, click on connect, and then you have to select the port as I have mentioned earlier, that is port 3. Okay. Now we have already started with the calibration.
you need to calibrate the instrument with fresh air first. So just follow the steps as displayed on the screen. So the instrument is presently being calibrated with fresh air. So once the instrument is being calibrated with fresh air, the next step is to calibrate with 50% LEL methane. So once the gas reading is constant, click on the OK button and wait for the further instructions displayed on the screen. Connect the gas calibration bottle with 50% volume methane to the equipment.
So now after the application of the second gas, that is 50% volume methane, the final step is to apply the clean air. Once you have successfully applied both the gases, first one 50% LEL and 50% by volume methane, the final step is to apply clean air. So now we'll the gas tube from the instrument. As you all can see, it's showing 0% LEL. Go back to the FlexiCal calibration software, click on OK. So now guys, as you all can see, we have successfully completed the calibration of the tank scope. You have to enter the customer name, my company name, Anglo Eastern. Anglo Eastern Sneddon Gonsalves. Click on create certificate. It will display another warning. Ensure all gases are off before clicking the OK button. Pass. It shows we have successfully calibrated. Stop. Click on open last certificate. This is how the certificate looks like. Customer name Anglo Eastern, model ship survey 1. It will automatically display the serial number as well. The date 22nd April 2020. Calibrated for methane. Percentage of LEL equivalent 4.4% by volume. Overall results pass. The next step is to take a printout of it. and file it.
So I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Be safe. Jai Hind.